almost gone. Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be taking you through a day in my life. Pretty regular day, except for I'm going to be getting my hair done this afternoon. That's exciting. Haven't done a vlog in a long time, and I think they're really fun. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more vlogs after you watch this one. I just had some breakfast, as you saw, a little toast and raspberries. I'm having some coffee out of my Santa mug, since it's almost Christmas. I think I'm gonna go do some work in my office before I have to leave for my hot Pilates. I'll take you guys along with me. All right, so this is my hot Pilates outfit. Pretty standard. I just have the base pace Lululemons in the 25-inch, and then I'm not sure what this sports bra is called, but it's also from Lulu. It's quite old. It's like the Soul Cycle line that they did back in the day. So yeah, pretty simple. No shirt because it gets hot and sweaty in there. But you know, I'll be wearing a sweater on the way. So anyways, see you guys there. I came pretty early because I always struggle parking here during the daytime, but I found like really close parking super easy this time. So anyways, I'm just gonna chill in my car for a few minutes and then go in, because it's kind of awkward if you go too early. I'm really sore from yesterday's workout though, just saying. Alright, you guys, hot Pilates is done. It was literally so hard, but it felt really good. Oh my god, the playlist was so fire. Literally so much Drake, some old school like hip hop as well. So that was really fun. So yeah, I'm kind of in a rush because I have a hair appointment at 2, so I have an hour to get home, shower quick, grab something to eat, and do a 15-minute drive. So wish me luck. All right, this is a little fit check, just a little matching sweatsuit from Tommy. On my way to the hairdressers, I don't know what I'm gonna get done. I'm gonna talk to my girl when I get there, and I guess you guys will see the final results when I'm done. All right, so I just made it to my hair appointment. I'm actually 10 minutes early, and this is my hair right now. Still debating if I'm gonna keep going with my highlights or if I'm gonna tell her to darken it. So it's gonna be a surprise for both you and I when I come out of here. All right, I'm all done at the hair salon. As you can see, I went blonde again. It's also like pitch black out, even though it's like 5 o'clock. So this is like the car lighting. I'll show you guys better when I go inside. It's also pouring rain, not a vibe. She did such a good job. She always does a really good job on my hair, and I feel just so refreshed. Anyways, I'm just waiting for Jordan. We're gonna go to the superstore and get a bagged salad, and we're gonna eat that for supper with some homemade chicken strips. Okay, you can see my hair so much better in here. I think it looks so cute, so much brighter, especially around the face. About to have a little supper. Just mixed a dill pickle salad together. So we're having salad, air fried potatoes, and chicken strips. Yummy. is now getting close to 8 o'clock, which means it's almost time for workout number 2 of the day. I don't usually do 2 workouts. I forgot I booked this yoga class. So I'm going to kind of like a slower yoga class. And I actually usually do this one on Tuesdays. And I did miss it this week earlier, so I'm happy I'm able to do it this Thursday. Not too worried about it because the instructor is really great and it's a really like chill vibe there. So quick fit check. So I just have these little Lole joggers on and then this little Aloe yoga tank, and you can't really see my sports bra, but it's a little Fabletics one. Time to go to yoga. Pretty tired though. We just got home from our yoga class. It was so awesome. You always leave that class feeling way better than you walked in. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. It's been a pretty eventful day, honestly. So thank you guys if you decided to tag along. It's been lots of fun. Go follow me on Instagram, jessie.vivian.ann. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please do it. Please, 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 please. And I'll see you guys next week.